American Homes for Rent has become one of the top residential leasing companies in the nation. Our mission is to make renting your ideal home easy and accessible. That's why we offer more than 55,000 single-family homes across 22 states, all with the flexibility of living mortgage-free. Located in vibrant neighborhoods near schooling, our beautiful homes are move-in ready, easy to maintain, and pet-friendly. Whether you're looking for convenience, deciding against the hidden costs of ownership, or you simply need a high-quality home as you save for a down payment, we aim to simplify your renting experience. By caring for more than 200,000 customers nationwide, we understand the needs and desires of today's renters. American Homes for Rent, a new vision of American living.